In this video, I will show you how Minexa turns any website into structured data, for technical and non-technical users alike. Today, we'll scrape restaurant listings from justeat.co.uk with ease. Open the page where your data is already showing, not a home page. At this point, click the icon in the toolbar to open Minexa. The panel is visible. Press the violet button, and Minexa begins detecting the structure for restaurant listings automatically. The analysis revealed the main list of results, all automatic and ready for scraping. Just the list or detail pages for deeper per-result extraction. Choose what suits your needs best. Ready to move on? Continue. Advanced if a filter button or scroll is needed before results appear. That section got highlighted automatically. Click Create Scraper and Minexa does the hard work once and reuses it across similar pages. All data fields are here, like restaurant names, ratings, delivery times, and prices. Select what you need, and they stay accurate across every run. Developers click API Request to get ready to run code with JS rendering and proxy settings already in place. Hit the button to validate and save the configuration. Minexa found the pagination button on its own, full result set covered on every run. One click away from a live scraping job. Optionally set a schedule or Google Sheets connection first. Click Run, and the scraping job gets started. Every column was locked to a specific part of the page during training, so values never drift between runs, even when pages contain multiple similar-looking fields like prices or dates. This means you get consistent restaurant names, ratings, delivery times, and cost details every time you run the job. Hit Export and save the full dataset to your computer straight away. Set up once, reuse forever. Anyone can export to a spreadsheet, and developers can batch up to 50,000 URLs in a single API request, with consistent, structured output.